Are you really gonna miss this? Hey, it's Dean Graziosi, and I know you've seen the ads, or you've seen the podcast, or you've seen people promoting it on social media. Tony Robbins, myself, and a cast of amazing humans have come together to do the Time to Thrive Challenge, to show you how to gain capabilities to thrive in this shifting world. It's happening on August 2nd. I know you've already seen it, but you haven't registered yet. Time is running out. It's only happening once. It's happening live, August 2nd. It's not kind of free, it's totally free. If you're ready to stop thinking about a bigger future, ready to stop being uncertain, and ready to thrive, click the link below, reserve your spot, put it in your phone, write it on your refrigerator, do whatever it takes. We'll see you on August 2nd. You are not gonna wanna miss this. This represents time. And it's truly ticking away. Okay, our lives are ticking away, but more importantly, the opportunity for you to register for the Time to Thrive Challenge is almost gone. I know you've already seen our ads. I know you already have friends that have already joined. Why haven't you? The Time to Thrive Challenge, designed by my dear friend Tony Robbins and I, to show you over 5 days how to thrive in this crazy shifting world. We know we're going into an economic winter, but how about being a part of an industry that's in its spring, in liftoff, heading towards $1 trillion a year, according to every study that's out there right now by 2028, talking about selling what you know. It's time to join or scale inside the information industry, be a coach, create a mastermind, a workshop, a course, write an ebook. You have a skill, a hobby, a passion someone else wants. You've been listening to me. Stop hesitating. It's time to investigate. Don't let this timer run to zero and you miss out. Regret stinks. All you got to do, click the link below and reserve your spot for free. It's not kind of free, it's totally free. It's probably the last challenge we're doing like this ever. And did you see the guests who are coming? Oh my God. Stop watching this ad. Click the link below, go to the page, check it out, reserve your spot. We'll see you on August 2nd. What are you waiting for? Time's running out. Click the link. See you soon.